I just wanted to tell you happy birthday. We are so proud of you. Big boy. Cannot believe you're 7 years old. You are such an incredible kid. We love you so, so much. We hope you're enjoying your birthday. You mean the world to us, right?
Yep. Happy birthday, big boy. You're growing so fast. Slow down. But we're loving the way you're growing into your own personality. You being a man.
A man? Hold on, wait. You're not a man.
Not a man yet. But you're growing into my little man. And we love seeing you grow, and both on the field and in the classrooms. We love you so much.
Yep. Have fun.
That is a word in the stuff, you know how to keep it. I say like what? I see love, I see like hockey. Let's go, let's run. For this life I cannot change. One more time. In the hills. In my nails. Sweet like candy cane. Drop the top. Pump it, let it bang. For this life I cannot change. In the hills.
Happy birthday, Eazy. I love you. Enjoy your 7th birthday, little grown man. Love you.
Creep right behind me in a phantom. Never go, dear police says stay Santana. Running back, turn the lights on when I hit up Chase Bennett. Let's go. Fly the doors down to Atlanta.
Hey, Eazy, you're 7. Happy birthday, man. Oma loves you. My little Easton Ace. Just such a big boy now. I can't believe you're 7. Oh my gosh. Love you. Bye.
Eazy, happy birthday. I know it's your birthday, so I want to say happy birthday. I miss you. I hope you have the best birthday ever, because I'm going to come back like a boomerang.
Drop the top, pop it, let it.
Easton Ace, Easy Man, it's your birthday. Oh my gosh, you're 7 years old. You're getting so big on us. Oh my God. Anyway, you're turning 7, and that's a really special age because, I don't know if you know this, but 7 is my favorite number. So that means you're going to have an awesome year. And I am so proud of you and all your hard work. You're awesome at all the sports that you play, and you're so smart in your schoolwork, and I'm super, super proud of you. And I hope you have a very happy birthday and an awesome birthday party. And I can't wait to see you there. And hopefully you'll share some cake with me. You know, I love some cake. So anyway, happy birthday, buddy. I love you so, so much. And I'm super, super duper proud of you. Happy birthday.
Eazy. Happy birthday, my little darling. I cannot believe you're another year older. Like, you're about as tall as me now. And I remember when you were just like a little teeny baby, like right here dancing with me. And now look at you playing sports, and you're so smart and handsome. I hope you have the best birthday. Can't wait to continue to watch you grow and be great. Love ya. Have the best year yet.
Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.